Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a Mazda 3 2016 and we're going to go over a lot of stuff on here. First we got to pop the hood. So there's a release lever inside the car. You pop it and that way it has a spring that pops it up here. So then you're going to come up here right in the middle above the emblem. There's a latch here and you're going to push it to the right. Alright? Just kind of put your finger in under there, push it to the right. And then that way the hood will release. Then this one has just a bar to put up and you put it right here. So once you raise this bar up, you just put it right here. It's got a little arrow indentation where it should go, and that's where you lock it in, and that's how you hold and secure your hood up on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.